결국 믿음으로 나아가 골리앗을 쓰러뜨린 다윗.
They say there was none like it. The sword of Goliath.
다윗을 보며 용기를 얻은 사울의 군대는 블레셋을 향해 돌진하는데요.
Those who wield its power would conquer nations, destroy their enemies.
그렇게 하나님의 예언을 이루기 위한 전쟁이 시작됩니다. 한편 이들을 축복하며 뒤에서 힘을 보태는 사무엘.
Give us strength. Protect us. Give us this ground. Form a perimeter! Hold the valley!
그 시각 요나단 왕자는 병사들 속에 갇힌 다윗이 걱정되는데요.
I must find David! Wait! Give me the sword. No. Saul. No. I'm the chosen. I was made for this.
Father! Father? What are you doing? You're not going out there.
I am well, Betty.
Father.
You yourself led me from the darkness. Now, I must lead this army. You stay here. Send men to that bridge. Silence the prophet, and they cannot win. Come with me!
이때 아기스가 다윗을 노리는 걸 발견하는 요나단.
Thank you, Adonai, for this gift. I do this day. I do in your name.
그렇게 요나단이 다윗을 구해내는 사이 사울이 뒤늦게 전장에 도착합니다.
Jonathan! Are you all right? Yes. Good. Stay close. Get down. You've never fought a battle before.
Well, not before today, no.
The first rule, remain calm and keep your eyes up. And when you attack, you stab. Don't slash. Remember, God was with you when you killed this giant. He is still... Move! You stay close. All right. Keep your shield up. You watch for arrows.
요나단은 어쩔 줄 몰라 하는 다윗에게 조언을 해주며 그를 지켜주는다. 한편 사울은 자신을 부르는 마귀의 목소리를 듣고 환각에 빠집니다. 사울이 어딘가로 향하는 사이 전쟁은 점점 골리앗이 쓰러진 블레셋의 패배로 향하고 있었습니다.
David. Abner, get David off the field and then advance. Finally!
I can fight with you.
Chase them all the way to God. God is with us. Yes, my prince. Keep the line!
Where are you going?
I'm going to find my father.
I will go with you.
No! You've done your part.
Let me fight with you, Jonathan.
Not today. Come, go! Make way! Make way! Come through! David!
Eliab!
You are alive!
Yes, Andy!
Thanks be to God!
Yes, and Jonathan, I owe him my life.
I should have been with you, brother.
하지만 이때 아스토스의 친위대가 등장하는데
Hold the line! Hold! Hold! King Boy!
It's King Ascod's men. They seek to surround us. He's looking for David. We cannot hold them off much longer.
I will take David clear of the battle. No. Clear the field!
Take some men with you.
I'll be there, I can fight!
아스토스는 골리앗을 쓰러뜨린 다윗을 찾아 노립니다.
There he is! Kill that boy!
Eliab!
Run!
Eliab!
Go! Go! Kill the boy!
결국 다윗의 형 엘리압은 다윗을 지키기 위해 사투를 벌입니다.
That boy is my brother! The king is dead! Fall back! The king! Retreat!
Push them back all the way to God.
지원군까지 제압당하자 블레셋의 군대는 후퇴하기 시작하는데요.
For the tribe of Judah!
Give us strength, O Lord. Give us this ground, as in the days of Moses. Shield us by night in a pillar of fire. Grant us victory. Give us this ground.
한편 마귀를 따라 외진 곳으로 온 사울은 계속 환각을 보며 정신을 못 차립니다.
Great warrior king, but you have not defeated me.
Saul, when you were small in your own eyes, the Lord lifted you up and made you king. Now that you are great in your own eyes, you have rebelled and made yourself evil in the eyes of the Lord.
Evil?
You have twisted the throne of Israel to your own glory, so you will be given to a twisted power and your own torment.
You are alone.
The Lord has torn the kingdom from you.
Abandon the king without his God.
그렇게 겨우 정신을 차린 사울은 마귀를 물리치는데 성공하죠.
It is done. It is over.
그런데 이때 누군가의 목소리가 들려오고
No. It is not over.
You missed much of the battle, King. Now the battle comes to you.
Achish, son of Mauch, and your thirst to avenge your father.
And to restore my people to their rightful place as rulers over yours.
Your father held similar ambitions. They proved to be his undoing.
결국 블레셋의 왕 아기스와 사울의 대결이 시작되는데요.
dark pagan magic is this?
Not magic, Saul. Fate!
This is for my father.
바로 그때 요나단이 나타나 사울을 구해냅니다. 하지만 요나단은 지쳐버린 상태였고 그가 아기스에게 제압당해 위기에 처한 그 순간
Giant Slayer!
Boy.
Finish it. Or by the gods, I shall finish you, Jonathan. Finish it!
Jonathan!
그때 거인이 나타나 아기스를 구해주죠.
What are you doing?
You will get your vengeance, King, but not today.
Are you alright?
David, what of the battle?
They're running away. We're chasing them to the gates of Gath. I have to go find my brothers.
Go. Go. Go tend to my father. Go.
그렇게 전쟁은 사울이 이끄는 군대의 대승으로 끝납니다. 그리고 다윗은 이번 일로 칭송받기 시작하죠. 다음 날 사울이 있는 곳으로 향하는 다윗.
My champion! You know, a great many doubted you and doubted me.
But I could see what none of them could. God's hand is on you, as it is on me.
Even still, how is it a boy, musician, comes to fight in my army?
Slay a giant, and saves my life. Who are you?
You know who I am, my king. I am a shepherd from Judah, and nothing more.
Well, shepherd.
Did the prophet Samuel visit your family?
Yes.
겸손했던 다윗은 차마 자신이 기름 부은 자라는 걸 사울 앞에서 말할 수 없었습니다.
You've saved us all. Father, there is no one in all of Israel more worthy for us to honor.
그럼에도 다윗을 지켜 세워주는 요나단.
It is now yours.
Thank you.
From this day forward, you are part of the House of Saul!
Michal.
David,
Yes.
you came back to me.
With God's help.
잠시 후 왕국으로 돌아가던 사울은 힘없이 걸어가는 사무엘을 발견하는데요.
Samuel!
기분이 좋아진 사울은 사무엘을 끌어안으며 화해의 제스처를 취합니다.
I heard you left these lands.
I was driven from these lands.
What is between us? This misunderstanding is over.
Is it? Your misunderstanding is not with me.
My torment has lifted. Darkness has passed.
Your torment is of your own making, soul. You are not abandoned by the Most High, it was you. Abandon him and his word in pursuit of your own glory.
I won this battle. Without you. God favored me. He always has. He does still. And now I have a new champion. Slayer of giants. Why chose? So, great seer, you will anoint me again on these sacred grounds for all to see.
This I cannot do.
Why not?
The Lord has not commanded it.
The king has commanded it.
Surely you must know by now I do not serve kings.
자신을 무시하는 듯한 사무엘의 말에 사울은 분노하고 맙니다.
Guards! Arrest the seer!
In time you will heed my words. This is finished, Samuel.
No, Saul. It is just beginning.
Perhaps there's another course of action.
I have decided.
결국 사무엘은 사울에 의해 감금당하고 이제 화면은 1년 뒤 사울의 호출을 받고 움직이는 다윗을 비추는데요.
It is you, isn't it?
My king?
Trusted you. And still you betrayed me.
My king, I am loyal to you.
Loyal. No more deception. Speak the truth. Did Samuel choose you?
My king, please just sit down.
Did he choose you? Did Samuel choose you?
No. No. God chose me.
이제 화면은 다시 1년 전으로 돌아갑니다. 전쟁에서 승리하며 돌아와 사람들의 환호를 받는 사울.
Welcome home, your king! Yes! Yes! Saul, son of Kish, returning to you victorious in battle.
한편 유배당했던 에스바알은 어느샌가 조용히 성 안으로 들어왔습니다.
And mother, he will too.
It will be shock enough for him to see you return from exile. Now I will decide when it's best to tell him.
Only a string! And he slayed the mighty giant with a single stone! Now, there are any doubts if God is still with us. Let this be a message to us all. God has given us the victory! Would you like to meet the giant slayer? Of the tribe of Judah. Simple shepherd. Musician. Now, champion for all of Israel!
사울은 골리앗을 쓰러뜨린 다윗을 지켜 세우며 사람들에게 그의 이름을 소개합니다.
From this day forward, you will join the house of Saul. My daughter will be given to you in marriage. Reward for your bravery. I give you command of 1,000 men!
그렇게 다윗은 사울의 총애를 한 몸에 받게 되죠.
I know.
잠시 후 왕자로 돌아온 사울은 유배당했던 에스바알이 돌아온 것을 발견합니다.
Shbal.
How are you here?
A story for another time. May the king live forever. I know there is much to explain.
Come here, son. Come here. Explanations will come later.
My family is whole again.
사울은 탕자를 반기듯 에스바알을 다시 반갑게 맞이하고 그 사이 미갈은 조용히 나와 다윗을 찾기 시작하죠.
Looking for someone?
Look at you. David. But how are you healing? I still have the image of that spear hitting you.
Honestly, I can't remember ever feeling better.
I know what you mean. I feel like the world has shifted and we're here in the middle of it. My father is better. I think God has brought my family back together again.
한편 아기스는 누군가가 찾아왔다는 소식을 듣습니다.
My king, Daganor, son of Ashdod, has arrived.
그는 전장에서 아버지를 잃었던 아스돗의 아들이었는데요.
Daganor.
Be thankful you still have a throne to sit on.
We all grieve the loss of your father. He was a good king.
Was he? We have more important losses to grieve.
Who should have defeated them?
Your plan was flawed, Akish.
I had giants.
That you hid behind, and it cost us everything.
Have you come here looking for a fight?
I've come to make a point.
Azor! Then you should make it.
You had the right idea. You just used the wrong weapon.
그러더니 아기스에게 자신의 무기를 보여주는 남자.
Look at the blade.
Not a mark.
The key to defeating the Hebrews was never the size or strength of your giant. It was the sword in his hand. We are no longer in the Age of Bronze. Victory now hinges on the forging of iron. When you created that sword for Goliath, you didn't fully understand what you had made. Imagine a Philistine army with every man wielding a weapon like this. None could stand against us. That is my point.
그렇게 다시 전쟁의 불씨가 살아나려는 사이 갇혀있는 사무엘을 찾아온 사울의 아내.
Yadalti, my child. I worry for you, Ahinoam.
Why? I am not the one bound and alone.
Are you not?
I didn't come here to argue.
Then why are you here?
그녀는 얼마 전 정신이 나갔던 사울이 걱정돼 사무엘을 찾아온 것인데요.
Saul has redeemed himself. A great victory. Amends have been made. Can God not see that?
He sees all. Just because there is a great victory without does not mean there is one within.
Are you saying Saul hasn't changed?
I'm not saying anything at all that is not my function.
If God gave them back, surely he can undo this.
He can. But he has not.
사울의 상태가 변하지 않았다는 사무엘의 말을 뒤로한 채 그녀는 곧장 사울을 찾아갑니다.
But do you really think David is capable of commanding an army?
It is wise to use David to unite our people.
Perhaps it is wise to wait
Wait.
with the wedding announcement. Give David more time to better prove himself.
Prove himself? More so than killing a giant?
그렇게 왕비가 다윗을 견제하는 사이 사울에게 급한 소식이 전달되는데요.
My king, there's something you need to see.
What is it, Amnon?
Please, come.
Samuel. Go on. Find Samuel at once.
결국 사무엘은 다시 어디론가 사라지고 다음 날 전투를 치르고 돌아온 다윗을 미갈이 마중 나옵니다.
You all right? My father's gathered everyone in the throne room. Special announcement. Come.
중대한 선포라는 말에 다윗과 미갈은 기대감에 부푼 채 사울을 찾아가는데요. 그리고 예상대로 중대한 선포란 다윗의 아내에 관한 얘기였습니다.
I offer you my beautiful daughter in marriage. Mirav.
하지만 어째선지 사울은 미갈이 아닌 그녀의 언니 메랍을 연결시켜 주었고 이에 두 사람은 혼란에 빠지는데
David. I'm sorry. I don't know why he would do that. My father is just...
Shh, I know.
I don't know what to do now.
I know, but we cannot give up.
Why is this so difficult?
Yeah, we will find a way.
It's like the world has conspired to hold us back.
The Lord helped me defeat a giant. I'm sure he will help me speak to your father.
그렇게 다윗이 다시 사울과 만나 얘기해보기로 하는 사이 사무엘의 위치가 확인됩니다.
What word, Avner?
Samuel has escaped the city. He must have had help to get beyond the walls.
We held Samuel captive. To help him remember the former days, yes.
I have scouts searching for him. Anything more overt could have
But
consequences.
the people revere him, as do I. That old snake will slither into the grass and bide his time.
Surely he'll show up at the tabernacle.
And there he will kiss my ring.
And if he refuses,
No. You cannot harm Samuel, father. People would rise up.
My king,
now is not the time, David.
What troubles you? Come.
there has been a great mistake. I cannot marry Mirav. When it is Michal who I love, she wants us to be together. Surely her wishes matter, and my choice is...
Choice!
Okay, you should go now.
No, Avner. Let me tell you something about choice. Men go to war and death when I order them to. I feed my people or they starve. They live free or are enslaved because I choose one way or the other. No one dares question the wisdom of my actions. Who gave you the right?
I only ask that you reconsider.
Reconsider!
All right. That's enough.
Go.
결국 사울의 완고함에 미갈은 좌절하고 마는데요.
Can you believe him? Why would he do this?
You know what he's like. I'm sure he has his reasons.
What reasons? David loves me and I love him. Father knows this.
Father has made up his mind.
No.
And I am the older sister, so it does make sense.
Mirav.
Perhaps Father thinks you are too soft-hearted for David, for what he needs to become.
Soft-hearted.
No, relax. I didn't mean to offend. I'm sure you didn't either.
일단 미갈은 상황을 지켜보기로 하고 그 사이 다윗은 훈련장에서 푸념을 하며 대련을 하고 있었습니다.
I cannot marry Mirav. I will not.
David, you cannot let frustration distract you. See? Distracted.
You're our new commander.
I'm David.
Yes, I know who you are. It's an honor to serve under you.
Don't you all have duties?
My prince. You're improving?
Am I?
No. I was disarmed and humiliated more than a few times when I was learning. Take up your sword.
요나단은 미갈과의 일로 침울해진 다윗에게 여러 가지 기술과 노하우들을 알려주려고 하죠.
Keep your weight low, your feet light. Yes. Let it flow. Use your hips. Strong. Let's go. Again.
그렇게 요나단에게 지도를 받으며 다윗은 점점 성장하기 시작하는데 그러던 어느 날 사울에게 갑자기 아드리엘이 찾아옵니다.
Adriel brings important news.
My king, please. I kneel at your feet to beg of your mercy. My king.
사울은 과거 자신에게 망신을 줬던 아드리엘을 보며 분노하는데요.
You know well the punishment for traitors.
But what if I had information that would prove my loyalty?
Information of what kind?
I saw Samuel come to Bethlehem. I know which house he visited. My king, I know who he anointed.
그렇게 사울은 사무엘이 누구에게 기름을 부었는지 듣게 되죠.
Is all well, my king? All is not well. We have a traitor in our midst. The anointed one. Rest assured, this threat will be removed. First his family, then the anointed himself. Yoav will handle it. I was thinking I would enlist someone else for this. No. Yoav. He's the one I trust. Of course. The deed will be done before we reach the tabernacle.
한편 의식을 앞두고 형과 얘기하고 있던 다윗.
Father would be proud seeing you attend tabernacle.
He would be proud of both of us.
Actually, I'm not going with you. I just heard I'm being sent on a mission with Yoav.
Now? Why?
He would not tell me. Must be important.
이때 엘리압은 요압과 함께 사울의 임무를 수행하러 움직입니다.
You at least tell me where we are going. Is it Kiryat Yarim?
No. We're headed south.
Judah. Where exactly? What village? And why?
Eliav, you will know the truth when the time is right.
그 시각 의식을 위해 임시 거처에 있던 다윗은 사울과 만나고
David? My king. Thank you for this great honor.
It is the least I could do for one so loyal. It is a ceremony that marks both the beginning and the end of many things.
과연 사울은 무슨 생각을 하는 걸까요?
Yoav. Why are we here?
한편 엘리압은 자신의 이웃을 찾아온 요압을 향해 설명을 요구하는데요.
These are my neighbors.
The man Samuel anointed, he lives here.
No. I cannot be sure.
Yet it is.
And what are we to do?
Remove the threat along with his bloodline. There can be no survivors.
Yoav. These are good people. We cannot. I will not.
Would you rather it be your family?
요압의 말에 엘리압은 아무 말도 할 수가 없었습니다.
Yoav, what are you doing here? Your father said you had returned to Gibeah.
Tuvia, son of Yefet. You've been declared a traitor.
What? No. Yoav. I don't understand.
Yoav. Eliav, tell him! You know me!
Your death is necessary to preserve the future
Yoav.
of the rightful king.
Merciful God, please!
The true anointed one.
Eliav, tell him!
Abba!
Go! Get away, son! Run!
I'll go after the boy. You finish the rest. Be smart, cousin.
그렇게 엘리압이 망설이는 사이 이 사실을 모른 채 성막으로 향하고 있는 다윗.
My people! The giant slayer! And his princess, Yoav.
Pretend, David. If not for them, for me. Yes.
그 시각 임무를 마친 엘리압과 요압이 돌아오는데요.
Where were you? What was this mission?
I will not speak of it. Not ever.
잠시 후 성막에서 의식 준비를 하고 있던 사무엘은 성막을 찾은 사울과 다시 만납니다.
If you have come to put hands on Samuel, you will first have to go through all the priests of the tabernacle, in front of all the people of Israel.
I assure you, we have no need or wish to harm the seer. In fact, we come offering him a relief from his own sins.
사무엘의 기름 부은 자를 처치했다고 생각한 사울은 여유롭게 사무엘에게 자비를 베푸듯 말하죠. 그날 밤 잠을 청하려던 다윗에게 미갈이 찾아옵니다.
Michal, please, sit down.
I've made a decision about us.
If this is about earlier, your sister was performing for the crowd and I took no pleasure.
But the people did. I can see how this ends. Let's spare ourselves more pain. You will marry Merav. And I will live with it.
No, I cannot. I won't. I love you, Michal. Only you.
There's more to consider than our own happiness. Perhaps I was only meant to help you face the giant. Perhaps that is God's purpose.
No.
And it's...
We are meant to be together. I know it.
If we were truly meant to be together, this would be easier. We wouldn't have to keep fighting against the current or breaking my family apart. David, my mother isn't even here.
I know.
I fear we are being selfish.
Michal, please.
I've made my decision. If you love me, you will respect it.
어려운 말을 꺼낸 뒤 돌아서는 미갈에게 다윗은 아무 말도 할 수가 없었습니다. 다음 날 본격적인 의식이 시작되는데요.
Anashim Adonai Itanu.
의식을 준비하는 사무엘에게 요나단이 찾아옵니다.
You should not be in here.
Jonathan, it's all right. No, it's fine. Leave us.
Samuel,
So you have won a great victory. It is well done.
the victory was won by David.
Ah, something troubles you.
He is the anointed one, chosen by God to replace my father.
So, what does your heart tell you?
He has become my friend, and I am teaching him the skills he could use to destroy my father, my family, myself. It threatens to corrupt the mind.
Listen to me. No one, not even I, can know exactly what Adonai intends or how his will may manifest.
What is my purpose in this? If he is to sit on the throne, I am his greatest obstacle.
Then become his greatest ally. Help David to become the man God needs him to be. Oh, Jonathan. In the meantime, try to take some joy in your own life. Wash your hands.
그렇게 요나단 역시 각오를 다지는 사이 다윗에게 아드리엘이 다가오는데요.
You owe me a great debt, son of Jesse. I've saved you and your family from a quick death.
You have done what?
I know who you're meant to be, David. I know about the anointing. Do not worry. I have put the name of another in the king's ear. They have died in your place, David. My little musical warrior. And you sit on your throne. Remember who protected you.
진실을 알게 되어 침울해하는 다윗을 뒤로 한 채 의식이 시작됩니다.
The Lord has chosen. Upon this goat I lay all our wrongdoing, that it may bear them away into the wilderness. Let it carry our guilt far from us, never to defile this people again. Take care, Gedaliah.
그런데 이때 제단으로 올라오는 사울.
Your false anointed one breathes no more. God revealed him to me that I might smite him from the face of the earth. Now show the people I am God's chosen king. Anoint me once again, here and now. Only then will peace reign throughout the land.
I do as God speaks. You know this, Saul. And what you are asking, God has not spoken. I do not fear you. I do not serve you. This altar is for priests, not kings.
결국 사울은 또다시 사무엘에게 망신을 당하고 마는데요. 그날 이후 시간은 흘러 1년이 흐르고 시를 쓰고 있는 다윗을 찾아오는 요나단.
Ah, the great warrior.
Jonathan.
And still writing your poetry. The year has gone by too quickly.
How have you been?
Tired from hearing of your many victories.
Perhaps I could lose a few to ease your burden. How is she?
Michal. He teaches children now.
Yes?
그런데 이때 주변에서 요란스런 소리가 들리고
Ambush!
Where did they come from? All sides! Archers on me! They'll hit your brother!
1년 전과 달리 이제 다윗은 형을 구하기 위해 전장으로 뛰어듭니다.
Stay down! Arrows! Protect David!
이때 한 병사가 적들의 무기를 집어드는데
Take their swords!
적들의 무기는 이상하리만큼 성능이 좋았고 결국 다윗 일행은 적들을 물리치는 데 성공하죠.
Who was that?
You right? All right. Raise your sword. Hey. Light as a feather. Yet still so strong.
That was my sword. Are you going to replace it?
Search the dead yourself.
These are demon swords. David, do you think these swords are cursed?
No, I do not.
Good.
Every time we face these weapons, they are stronger and lighter.
All of Philistia are armed with these.
God is able. Plus, I have held one far more perfect than this.
그렇게 적들의 무기가 심상치 않다는 것을 느낀 다윗은 잠시 후 성으로 돌아옵니다.
is your name they should be chanting.
They are chanting my name. I have killed my thousands. David is tens of thousands.
Yes, David. They will crown their boy today if they could.
왕비는 나날이 높아져가는 다윗의 인기가 무서웠고 사울을 향해 다윗을 조심하라고 충고하는데요.
It is a threat. Why do you refuse to see it?
Enough.
The sooner you realize that, the better.
Our hero returns. More victories, I'm told. We have much to discuss. We are badly in need of a wedding plan.
Yes, but another time, please. I would love to take my rest.
Yes, of course. Of course.
그날 밤 오랜만에 미가를 찾아가는 다윗.
Hello, princess. I heard you were teaching children how to read, as you once taught me.
I miss hearing you sing them. So often I would sit at this very balcony listening to your morning prayers.
I have a gift for you. I began writing my own songs, although sometimes I feel the words are from...
God himself?
Yes. I wanted you to have this.
The Lord is my shepherd, and I shall not be in need. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me by still waters. It's beautiful, David.
I thought I would write it about a shepherd. It is what I know.
And will you write a love song for my sister?
Michal,
It was good to see you. Commander, I praise Adonai you're safe.
하지만 미갈은 그날 이후에 결심을 이어가며 다윗과의 거리를 두고 있었죠. 한편 요나단은 적들에게서 취한 무기를 분석하고 있습니다.
Start forging our own swords to match these.
It must require a great deal of heat to forge weapons of this quality. Philistines will never sacrifice so many lives raiding our coal mines otherwise.
David swears Goliath's blade is even stronger. If we're to stand any chance at all, we need that weapon. And the knowledge behind it. Do you know what became of it?
결국 사울의 충신 아브네르는 골리앗의 검이 보관되어 있는 성읍을 찾아가는데요.
I've been trying to decipher what is etched on it.
Philistine markings?
Mostly, but some are much older. Egyptian, I believe.
God... swords? Perhaps God and swords?
No. No, God of swords. It's a signature.
이때 아브네르는 검에 새겨진 문양을 본뜨기 시작합니다.
Thank you.
그날 밤 사울을 찾아간 아브네르는 자신이 엔돌이라는 곳에 있을 때 이 문양과 거미신이라는 대장장이를 본 적이 있다고 말하죠.
I believe he has discovered an entirely new metal. One that would decimate even the finest bronze. My king, we need to find this man. I believe I can convince him to teach us how to forge these weapons.
My army would convince him.
No. If our army marches on Endor, the man will disappear before we ever breach the city gates. This is not a job for an army.
It is a lawless, God-forsaken place. That is my fear.
What matters now is the future. And in order to ensure it, we must find this God of swords.
그렇게 아브네르는 다윗 일행을 데리고 엔돌로 향합니다.
Be on guard.
Whatever you hear or see, take in stride.
잠시 후 정보상을 찾아가는 아브네르.
Avner, I heard you were dead, slain by Goliath at the Battle of Elah. What brings you back here, where no one wants to see you?
Looking for a man. Blacksmith. Name of God of Swords. This is his maker's mark.
Follow me.
결국 이들은 검의 신이라는 남자를 만날 수 있었는데요.
God of Swords, we've traveled a great distance to find you.
Is that so?
Perhaps you can help us.
We hear you're even more skilled with metal than snakes.
Are you sure you can afford this conversation?
We'll pay you double what the Philistines paid for the sword of the giant.
That was a fine sword. There is none like it.
Indeed.
Come with me.
그러더니 남자는 자신의 대장간으로 이들을 안내합니다.
Come, you come. Closer. Iron. The name itself means hardness and strength.
Why is it so much stronger than bronze?
It's skill. Higher levels of heat create stronger metal.
I want you to come with us to Gibeah. Teach us how to make these iron weapons by the thousands.
I already escaped the Philistines because I wasn't interested in being locked in their dungeons. What makes you think I want to be locked in yours?
Because I know this blade is not all you care about. Your daughter. I know she's an Edomite slave. But Sheva. She was taken from you to cover your debts. I know where you can find her. Return with us to Gibeah. Then you'll get to see her face again.
그렇게 남자를 협박하듯 설득한 아브네르는 그와 함께 돌아오고 다윗은 사울에게 자신의 생각도 전할 겸 이번 일을 보고하려고 하는데요.
My king.
David, was the mission successful? Have you returned with the God of Swords?
We have. But first, I must speak to you of another matter.
Speak.
I will not marry Mirav. I do not wish to defy you, but I know the truth. If she truly loved me and I her, then I would obey you. But I know in my heart we cannot be together.
You choose to refuse my command.
I choose to live in the truth. May the king live forever.
David! Son of Jesse. Decisions have consequences.
So do lies. God guides a man's destiny. Do what you must.
결국 다윗은 사무엘과 같이 하나님만을 믿고 나아가기로 하고 이에 사울은 분노합니다.
If David is not grateful for the favor of his king, let him leave. Banish him back to the hills of Bethlehem. Back to nothing.
And what then? You're the one who put him on this pedestal. Should he step off, the people will blame you for it, not him. Now, my king, your hands are tied.
The king's hands are never tied.
There is another solution.
이때 등장하는 왕비.
Give David what he wants. But only after he completes one last mission. One that will prove his worthiness, win her hand. One he will not survive. The giant slayer will die a hero at the hands of our enemies. Leave our nation with a legend they will cherish.
왕비는 이참에 골칫덩이였던 다윗을 없앨 계략을 사울에게 전해주죠.
My king, heed my words, as you always have. For the sake of your throne, David must die.
잠시 후 다윗이 호출됩니다.
Do you know the turmoil you have caused in this house? Speak the truth to me. You refused to marry Mirav because of your love for Michal, yes?
Yes.
And you would do anything for this love? You would die for it?
I would.
And I am willing to compromise. I will allow you to marry Michal. But first, you must prove your devotion to me.
Anything. I will fight any battle for you.
The Philistine forge at Gath.
Where they're crafting weapons of iron.
We must destroy it. Burn it to the ground.
Consider it done.
It will not be easy. is fortified and elevated, they will see your army from a long distance away.
Well, then, I will take only my finest men.
You will do more than that. They have raided my villages, murdered my people. In return, you will personally kill 100 Philistines and bring me their foreskins. This will make you worthy of my daughter's hand.
My king, I would kill 1,000 if it meant I could be with Michal.
Then may God be with you.
결국 사울은 왕비의 말을 받아들여 다윗을 사지로 내몰기로 하는데요.
Especially me.
I will not disappoint you.
출발하기 전 다윗은 미갈을 찾아가 그녀의 마음을 다시 한번 묻습니다.
Michal, can I ask you a question?
Mm-hmm.
If we could still marry, would you?
David, we've talked about this. We can't.
If we could.
Why are you asking me this? Why now?
If I could say more, I would, but all I need is a simple yes or no.
Yes. But David, that doesn't change the situation.
Please just trust me. I will be back.
Back?
Yes.
Back
I
from
will be
where?
back.
David!
그렇게 다윗은 사랑하는 미갈을 위해 전장으로 향하기로 하죠.
Let's ride.
한편 블레셋의 왕 아기스에게 한 통의 편지가 전달됩니다.
My king, a message.
From where?
Israel.
그 시각 대장간 앞에서 적들의 상황을 살피고 있는 다윗.
What do you think, Commander?
Half a dozen guards, likely more within.
A number we can handle.
And yet far fewer than a target like this deserves. Take your positions.
다윗의 신호에 맞춰 이들은 경비들을 제압해 나가는데요. 잠시 후 병사들을 쓰러뜨린 뒤 다윗 일행이 대장간 안으로 들어서던 그때
It's hard to breathe. Something's not right here.
Check the guards.
If only the guards remain. Why is the fire still burning?
I don't know.
Wait! It's a trap!
Take cover!
Burn them alive.
Yes. My prince, apologies.
Yoav.
It is about David. I believe he's in trouble.
결국 다윗은 함정에 빠지고 마는데요.
They blocked on the exit! Move!
They knew we were coming!
We've been betrayed! We're gonna burn the line in here, Commander!
Help me move the jars to the doors!
But that's our only way out!
David!
I know! We fight fire with fire!
Fly! Fly!
위기의 순간 다윗은 자신을 희생해 병사들을 살리기로 합니다.
Brothers, it is me they're after. If we survive this, I will draw them to the front gate. Let's scatter and save yourselves. Ready?
Yes, David!
병사들이 사투를 벌이는 사이 다윗은 적들을 유인하기 시작하는데요. 하지만 정신을 차린 다윗의 앞에는 더욱더 많은 병사들이 대기하고 있었죠.
Seize him!
Dagenor! Wait! Dagenor!
과거와는 달리 성장한 다윗은 병사들을 제압해 나가고 이때 한 남자가 결투를 신청합니다.
I will finish him myself.
Should I help him?
No. Let the gods decide.
그제서야 아기스는 다윗이 골리앗을 쓰러뜨린 자라는 걸 기억해내죠.
My king, let me finish this. My king, he's only one man.
But their God is now with him, not with Saul. Giant Slayer! Your king betrayed you! Why do you fight for him? Seize him! All of you!
바로 그때 요나단과 병사들이 다윗을 구하러 도착합니다.
Captain, single retreat.
Retreat!
그리고 다윗은 뒤늦게 사울과의 약속이 떠올라 병사들을 학살하기 시작하죠.
My king. The Philistine forge is no more. But we suffered many losses because they knew we were coming.
Someone in this house has betrayed us. And the Philistines? Did you slay 100 as I commanded?
No. I slayed 200.
It is true.
I will have Michal's hand in marriage. And I expect your announcement tomorrow.
It will be done. As promised.
결국 사울은 다윗의 부탁을 들어줄 수밖에 없었고 이에 급히 왕비를 찾습니다.
Where is my wife?
잠시 후 미갈과 만나는 다윗.
David? David? What happened?
Michal. Michal. Marry me.
Yes. Yes.
그 시각 분노한 사울은 왕비를 찾아가는데요.
The plan was sound.
You have made him more powerful than ever.
No, you have done that yourself.
I see it now. You are my curse.
Everything I have done for you. I brought a priestess into our home to save you. I banished my own son to protect you.
You are a vile woman. Your every word is darkness!
And you are a weak and insecure man who needs a servant girl to make him feel like a king.
May God forgive me forever listening to a single word you have said!
You don't worship God. You worship yourself. And we are the ones judged for it. I see why you cling to that shepherd boy. Because deep in your heart, you know the truth. The same truth that Samuel spoke. Your reign is over. So, God has given up on you.
I know!
그렇게 사울의 영린을 건드린 왕비는 궁지에 몰립니다.
I want you out! Out! Out of my life! You are my traitor!
Stop it! Stop! Stop it!
All is over! You have blasphemed against God and disgraced my kingdom! You are banished!
결국 왕비는 쫓겨나고 다윗과 미갈의 결혼식이 열립니다.
Look, David is coming.
Look at you, David.
The princess, Ava, the princess, look.
천신만고 끝에 두 사람은 겨우 축복을 받을 수 있었는데요.
My king, I have come into your house that you may give me your daughter Michal as my wife. And may the Lord make this woman like Rachel and Leah, who together built the family of our nation. May we be established in Gibeah and famous in Bethlehem and all the tributes of Israel. And may our children profess their loyalty to this kingdom and their love to Adonai for all eternity.
The Giant Slayer!
David.
Ava.
잠시 후 가족을 배웅하던 다윗에게 다시 접근하는 아드리엘.
My son.
David.
What is it you want, Adriel?
Come now. I'm here to celebrate your rise and remind you who cleared the path along the way.
God clears my path.
Yes, but God gives you friends as well, does he not? And if you are to achieve your ambitions, you will need them, huh?
I know what you did. My family grieved Tovia and his kin. They were innocent.
And do you know who put the blade to his heart and his family, even the baby? Huh? Your own brother, Eliav. So tell me, is he innocent? Are you? Oh, David, there is much you do not know, my little shepherd boy, and nothing escapes my ears.
And you expect me to reward you for this?
When you have taken the throne, yes. Or one word from me to Saul, and the next blood on the ground will be yours.
And what do you expect happens then, huh? When the king finds out you lied about Samuel's anointed, huh? Speak the truth, and they will be the last words to ever leave your mouth. I owe you nothing.
이제 더 이상 그는 순수하게 당하고만 있던 다윗이 아니었죠.
I need to talk to you. I know what you did. What you were made to do.
Well, then, you also know that there is nothing for us to talk about. You enjoy your wedding day, brother.
그렇게 다윗이 엘리압을 보내주는 사이 아드리엘이 이번엔 에스바알에게 접근합니다.
Congratulations on your sister's special day.
Thank you, Adriel.
Although, let's be honest, this union cannot be helpful to you, huh?
Oh, and why is that?
Well, David is just one more obstacle between you and the throne. I know how a man like you thinks. I see you for who you are.
아드리엘은 에스바알을 지켜세우며 다윗의 비밀을 폭로하기 시작하는데요.
I have been holding a secret. It is not at all who he says he is.
결국 에스바알은 사울에게 이 사실을 알리죠.
Father, I need to tell you a story. This outcast joined your household, comforted you with his music, married your daughter, and yet he never told you the truth. That the prophet Samuel journeyed to his home, which is why his curse was passed to you. All along, he was the cause of the very torment from which he was meant to comfort you. We have been deceived. You killed the wrong son of Judah. Think of it, Father. He slayed the giant. God has favored him in battle time after time, as he once favored you. The traitor you seek has been here in your house the whole time, right in front of you. The Anointed One is David.
그날 밤 미갈과 꿈만 같던 시간을 보내고 있던 다윗에게 누군가 찾아오고
Apologies, my prince. The king calls for you. He needs to hear you play.
Now? Is he unwell?
I'm sure he'll be fine.
그렇게 다윗은 아무것도 모른 채 사울에게로 향하는데요.
It is you, isn't it?
My king?
Trusted you. And still you betrayed me.
My king, I am loyal to you.
Loyal. No more deception. Speak the truth. Did Samuel choose you?
My king, please just sit down.
Did he choose you? Did he? Did Samuel choose you?
No. No. God chose me. My king, I wish you no harm.
결국 폭주하는 사울과 맞서 싸우는 다윗.
I said, I don't want to fight you.
Ishmael! Get him! Do not let him escape! Don't! Find the son of Jesse!
순식간에 다윗은 사울을 암살 시도한 대역죄인으로 몰리고 맙니다.
Follow me! God! After it!
잠시 후 다윗의 형을 찾아가는 요압.
Eliab.
What is this?
Restrain him.
Don't touch me! No!
Take him away.
David, his brother, has betrayed the king. I saw it with my own eyes. Now, I know many of you have served him, have fought for him. But any who remain loyal to David is a traitor to the house of Saul. I want 20 men at each gate of the city. Sweep every house, every field, every dung heap.
Injured, so move quickly.
Go!
그렇게 순식간에 위기에 몰린 다윗은 황급히 미갈에게 향하는데요.
David? What's happened?
Go pack your things. We must leave.
What's going on, David?
Listen, we must go now.
Hurt. David, look at... What happened? Who did this to you?
Your father. Pack your things quickly.
No, David, wait.
Michal,
David,
please,
stop.
Michal.
Please, just tell me the truth.
Shortly after I met you, Samuel came to Bethlehem. He anointed me.
As what?
As king.
결국 다윗은 미갈에게 자신이 기름 부은 자였다는 것을 말합니다.
You knew this. You knew this the whole time.
Michal,
when you
please.
were playing for my father, when you swore loyalty to him.
Yeah, I am loyal to him. I'm loyal to you.
When you comforted me as I was
No.
grieving, you knew I cried to you.
Michal, I was trying to protect you. That's why I didn't tell
So
you.
you would have held this forever from me, from our children,
Michal,
David.
Michal.
You would have never told
Michal,
me.
he slaughtered an innocent family. My neighbors. Because he believed they were the anointed. I hoped you would never have to know, but please, I will tell you everything once we are safe. Please, trust me.
How can I trust you? You have been lying to me from the moment
I
that
haven't
we met.
lied to you.
You are the reason for his torment. It was you. You were the threat to the throne. You are the reason he banished my mother.
I am
It
not a
was
liar.
you.
I'm not a threat. God chose me. My love, please. If you stay, he will use you against me.
David, come. Come quickly. You have to go. Come. Quick. Go. I will come and find you. Go.
Please.
Go.
Michal, please.
Go.
Please.
A moment.
잠시 후 미가를 찾아온 것은 다름 아닌 요압이었는데요.
Yoav.
Is he here?
Yes.
It will be fine, but he must leave. You have little time, minutes perhaps. It's all I can buy you.
알고 보니 요압은 다윗의 진실을 알면서도 그를 지켜주려 하고 있었죠.
David.
Michal, come.
결국 미갈은 이곳에 남는 것을 선택합니다.
Anything? No, Commander. What of his home? He's not there.
You searched it yourself.
I did.
거짓 보고를 한 채 곧장 잡혀 있는 엘리압에게 향하는 요압.
What is happening?
Saul knows the truth.
About what?
About David.
I do not understand. How long have you known?
Long enough.
I'll try.
We have no time. Avner is sending soldiers to your home. Go.
What about you?
I must gather some men.
Go! Yes. Cousin, why are you doing this?
This is what God wants, isn't it?
그렇게 풀려난 엘리압은 황급히 집으로 달려가는데
Eliab, what has happened? We must go. Now.
Go. Where?
David has been discovered. The king's guard is not far behind. Go.
David is a prince of Israel now. The king would not dare kill us.
Yes, he would. And he will. Believe me, Father, we must flee.
Where is David? Is he safe?
I do not know. I cannot save him. You pack your things and you say goodbye to this house.
한편 아내와 함께 밖에서 돌아오던 요나단은 무언가 수상한 소리를 듣습니다.
What is this?
Stop the carriage! David. What are you doing here?
Your father. He knows. He tried to kill me.
다윗은 요나단을 찾아가 사울과 있었던 일들을 모두 털어놓습니다.
I don't understand. Now, if this were true, my father would have told me. I would have warned you.
He knows that. Of our friendship. Jonathan, you're the only person I can trust. Please. I need your help.
Stay here. I'll find answers.
Wait. Give this to Michal.
Stay hidden until it's safe.
How will I know?
There's a field below the eastern wall. I'll practice with my bow there tomorrow. If I fire an arrow beyond my arm bearer, let this be a sign that I was not successful. You may go in safety.
Forgive me, brother. I did not choose this path.
There's nothing to forgive. My father chose this path.
그리고 그날 밤 요나단은 가족과 식사 자리를 갖습니다.
He asked me to give this to you. What does it say?
To be strong and courageous. Jonathan, is it true? Did Samuel name him?
이때 사울이 등장하며 순식간에 분위기는 어색해지는데요.
Have a seat. What of the rumors I hear? Of my father, the great king, ordering the execution of a prince of Israel. Who told you this? David. He found me. Asked if he could return to his father's home to worship.
And did you allow it?
I did.
You let him escape?
Escape what, father?
Jonathan, David tried to assassinate your father, the king.
No. No, actually, we tried to murder him.
He did try to kill father. I saw it.
Do you remember when all hope was lost? And one man stood to defend you, defend all of Israel? You would never do anything to hurt us. On my life. I swear to you.
He is a threat.
David is not the threat, father!
You son of a perverse woman. You think I do not know you choose your friendship with David over loyalty to this house?
David is loyal to this house.
As long as David lives, your throne will never be established.
A throne only has power if a just king sits on it. And there is no justice in murdering David.
You challenge my decision.
Yes.
결국 요나단은 다윗의 편을 택하죠.
How dare you?
David is innocent.
You betray me.
You betrayed the house of God! You betray the God who anointed you!
Father!
I'm sorry. Jonathan, wait.
I am ashamed to be your son.
그렇게 사울은 점점 다윗을 향한 증오를 멈출 수 없게 됩니다.
That was terrible.
You distracted me.
I'll go fetch it.
No, no. No, it's too far. I'll fetch it myself. I need to walk. Here, take this back to the armory. Thank you, Reuben.
설득에 실패한 요나단은 힘없이 다윗과 재회하는데요.
It isn't safe. I've ordered the guards east of here to be removed. Clear you a path to Ramah. Samuel, I'm sorry. I tried. My father will not relent. I fear this will be the last time we will see each other. Promise me you will never harm my family. That you will protect them when if I cannot.
I vow you will never be one of them. This is a covenant between us.
요나단은 하나님의 뜻에 따라 다윗을 왕으로 섬기기로 하죠.
Then may the house of David endure forever. May your reign never end.
I did not ask for this. I never wanted any of this. You would be the better king.
No. God does not make mistakes like that.
결국 요나단의 배려를 받은 다윗은 곧장 사무엘이 있는 곳으로 향합니다.
And Mikhail?
I am alone.
Alone? No, shepherd. Even when you are by yourself, you are not alone.
Samuel, I love you, but must you always speak in riddles?
Do I? I have always liked riddles. Perhaps you should write one of your songs about my riddles. Samuel's song.
Samuel, I don't know what to do. I don't know where to go.
다윗은 답답한 자신의 마음을 털어놓으며 조언을 구하는데요.
You need to find stillness. You must quiet yourself in here and here.
I try.
The Lord God will speak to you, as he has spoken to me so often. His words have flowed through me like water clear and cold, and they have choked in my throat like sand.
Sometimes, Samuel, I wish I could return to the safety of the hills. No one knew my name.
And I often wish I was raised in a family and not at the tabernacle. Yet history is not forged from the safety of hills. To live a life of service, of significance, is to pay a price. An uncommon life bears uncommon cost. You have been given the great and the difficult task, and this task is given you for God's own reasons. And so, you will travel the road north, you will hide among the priests, and you will await the word of the Lord. He will instruct you, this I promise. David, do not forget, the last time you passed through your greatest fears, a giant fell at your feet.
그렇게 다윗은 제사장들이 있는 성읍으로 향하지만 누군가와 마주치고
David, why have you come? Samuel sends me, and he sends his blessing.
You are alone?
I'm on a secret and urgent mission from the king. Do you have any weapons here? A sword, a bow? I had to leave in haste.
There is no sword here, except one. Come.
잠시 후 다윗은 이곳에 보관되어 있던 골리앗의 검을 손에 넣죠.
Sword of Goliath. It is all that is here. If it aids you, take it.
검을 쥔 다윗은 기적 같은 일이 행해졌던 그 순간을 기억해내고
Thank you. I needed to remember.
Remember what?
The greatness of God.
Father, soldiers are here.
병사들이란 말에 다윗이 놀라 밖으로 향하는데요.
The king has gone mad. Our loyalty is to you, David.
Right. How did you find me?
I tracked you like a wolf.
Were you followed?
No, we rode hard.
그렇게 다윗이 든든한 지원군을 얻은 사이 사울에게 소식을 전하는 남자.
Word from Edom.
My king.
My king, I've seen something that may interest you.
Summon the royal guard.
How many of them? All of them!
결국 다윗을 잡기 위해 병사들을 이끌고 가던 사울은 사무엘과 마주칩니다.
Step aside, Samuel, and I will let you live.
I cannot allow you to pass.
I have 1,000 with me.
And I have but one. Yet he is enough.
Do not make me strike you down.
Then do not try.
바로 그때
Your torment has not ended, Saul.
You lie. I defeated my curse.
No, you have become your curse. Protect the king! God is not mocked!
사무엘은 마지막 힘을 쥐었잖아 사울에게 메시지를 전하는데요.
Darkness has prevailed. You have become what you have become. And I will no longer mourn for you.
But you will prophesy for me.
No! This will never be my destiny! I control my future.
You will tell me what you see, son of Kish.
I see my crown resting on the head of another.
Speak his name.
No! You will speak his name! Speak his name! David!
What is it?
I'm not sure.
그렇게 사무엘은 자신의 소명을 다한 뒤 자리를 떠나죠.
My king. I'm Doeg. Where's Samuel? Gone.
Where do we go from here?
Onward to Nov.
결국 분노로 이성을 잃은 사울은 그대로 제사장들의 쉼터까지 도착하는데요.
What is happening?
Son, go. Get the ephod and leave. It must be protected. I will handle this. Now, go. My king, why have you come?
Why have you betrayed me, priest?
Betrayed?
Why have you hidden the traitor from me? So he can rise up against me?
Whom do you speak of?
The son of Jesse.
David? Who among your servants is as faithful as he?
He has risen against me, and you have aided him, have you not? Speak the truth.
I gave him sacred bread and the sword of Goliath. It was all I had.
The sword of Goliath? I tire of this struggle.
There is no struggle, my lord. We all serve you, as does David.
Then let me ask you a question, son of Ahitov. If the Great One, Samuel, were to tell you another was anointed, whom would you serve?
I would serve God above men.
이제 사울에게 있어 하나님은 증오의 대상일 뿐이었죠.
Kill them all.
So these are servants of the Most High.
They betray me as David does.
Kill them all!
하지만 사울의 충신마저도 차마 이번 명령은 따를 수가 없었는데요.
My king, I will do anything for you, Saul. I will not do this.
I will do it.
Burn everything! The God, the curses, everything! Kill them all!
그렇게 사울의 명령으로 인해 이곳은 지옥으로 돌변하고 맙니다.
What have you done? What is necessary?
다음 날 집으로 돌아온 사무엘을 발견한 아내 힐라.
Samuel? Samuel.
Is it not beautiful? God's creation. Something terrible has happened.
Rest, Samir. You have played your part in the grand design.
God knows. I have tried.
You have fought well. Yes. It is beautiful.
결국 위대한 선지자 사무엘은 하나님의 곁으로 떠나고 말죠.
حناني إلهيم حناني كيف حسي نفسي وفتسال كنفاخ أحسي عادي أفور عفوت Show me your purpose. Show me your will for your kingdom.
이렇게 다윗의 기도가 하늘에 닿는 모습으로 드라마 다윗의 왕국 시즌2는 막을 내립니다.